All right, I'm going to read you a scripture from John 15, verse 1 to 8. The vine and the branches. I am the true vine, and my Father is the gardener. He cuts off every branch in me that bears no fruit, while every branch that does bear fruit, he prunes, so that it will be even more fruitful. You are already clean because the word I have spoken to you. Remain in me, and I will remain in you. No branch can bear fruit by itself. It must remain in the vine. Neither can you bear fruit unless you remain in me. I am the vine, you are the branches. If a man remains in me and I in him, he will bear much fruit. Apart from me, you can do nothing. If anyone does not remain in me, he is like a branch that is thrown away and withers. Such branches are picked up, thrown into the fire, and burned. If you remain in me and my words remain in you, ask whatever you wish, and it will be given you. This is to my Father's glory that you bear much fruit, showing yourselves to be my disciples. 葡萄樹與枝子，我是真葡萄樹，我父是栽培的人。凡屬我不結果子的枝子，他就剪去；凡結果子的，他就修理乾淨。使枝子結更多，結更多。現在你們因我所給你們的道已經乾淨了。你們要常在我裏邊，我也常在你們裏邊。若不常在葡萄樹上，自己就不能結果子。你們若不常在我裏邊，你們是枝子，常在我裏邊，我也常在他裏邊。這人就多結果子，因為離了我，你們就不能做什麼。人若不常在我裏邊，就像枝子丟在外邊枯乾，人拾起嚟，扔喺火裏燒了。你們若常在我裏邊，我的話也常在你們裏邊。凡你們所願意的，祈求我就給你們成就。你們多結果子，我父就因此得榮耀。
Glory 榮耀。